This place is good. They're taking videos to capture. Huh? abubots that I have. And then, yeah. So, I'm going to update you guys. We are planning to go to City Mall today for our lunch because we've been whole day on the beach, Bulabog and the front beach, and we've been there at Exit Bar last night with some friends from Romania. So we met this guy in Bulabog, and then we just talked and then asked for going out. So I brought mom for that, and well, yeah, we just enjoy, we just have fun. We go dance there in Exit Bar, and we got some drinks, just 2 for me, 2 bottles, and mom only get cola, 2 glasses of cola. So yeah, she's now fine, she's good. And then she said that the travel is just only what's this called, sobrang madali lang. I mean, just not even 2 hours from the Kalibo going to Katiklan. So yeah, she will come back later, or she will go home like 2 p.m. because I will bring her on the 4th. But we're gonna go walk on the City Mall first. We go around, we get some lunch, and we get some drinks, and then that's it. So I'm going to update you guys very soon. I'm not really sure if we can still walk on the beach again today because we're gonna go directly from this hotel going to the City Mall, and then from the City Mall we're going to ride e-trike going to directly to the port. So yeah.
Sabi niya.
Nagsasalita?
Sobrang ganda niya.
So, nasa ano na guys, 11:18 na.
Seryoso?
Mag-check out na kami.
Sobrang bilis ng pulso niya.
Sa palagay ko, normal yun para sa kanya. Hindi ko alam. Tulong.
Sure na. Bumunta na. Bumunta ka. Eto na. Magkakalipatan. I-check mo nga sa dawag. Dawag. Okay yan. Yan ka kung gusto. A9. Okay, talipatan. Si GU. Good morning. How are you today? Okay. Yan. Ito guys. Naiwan namin. Yan. Bye-bye. Let's go. Ito, meron sila labahan. Siya yun na. Come on. A lot of rooms. Bakit tadi ka nakastay mo? Ayan, meron silang dining area, guys. Ayan, magta-try lang daw si Mother na upo. What's this? Aquarium? Nice one. Okay, ayan yung heater. Maulan ba? Tapos dito yung downstairs. Mag-run pa na kami po ulit. Ito yung sa baba nila, guys. Tapos meron din sila na meron silang restaurant. Tapos, ito naman yung palabas. Meron silang bar. World Place. Ayan. Palabas na kami ni Mother Earth. Check out na po. Thank you po. Ano? Grocery hut. Ayan. So, instead of City Mall, guys, gusto ng Mother Earth na doon sa restaurant kumain ng chicken. That's why, ayan, maglalakad kami from here kasi malapit lang. Hay, natatanaw nyo yung ang beach. Ito yung police station. Alice Wonderland. Ito. Boracay Eats. Pagpauli ta?
Ayaw ka mo to, di mo ba ito?
Ito sa Karsada. Abi, picture lang tayo ka. Ayan, para manami sa ano. Oo. Ay, napasa ako. Tanaway yama. Ha? Oo, kaya nga. Tanaway yama. Kaya nga. Kamusta naman yung kita mo, no?
Okay naman. Pero wala makita eh.
Ah, wala kang makita. Marami naman ah. Ay. Ay, mauno ma. Mauno. Nami. Nami.
Let me be the person, the distance in your eyes. Oh no, I've said too much. I've said enough.
the chicken with the...
Yeah, this one. Pancit Canton.
Nobody told me you've been tired.
This one looks nice.
Nobody told me that you found love for me. So